Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. Another day in the session, another day in the trading week. Actually, we're wrapping up the week. It's Friday. It's actually September 13th, 2019. Friday the 13th. So stay cautious in your trading. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. So yesterday we saw SPY just, continue its bullish sentiment, defending that 300 level, obviously right out of the gate, pulled back late morning, but then just, had that second ramp up to its all-time highs for the day, just in the middle 302 level. Then just kind of dumped out into the close. I think it reversed about a point and a half or so, a little bit more into the close. And that was just probably profit taking. Obviously, guys that knew that this level is under defense right now, so it's more advantageous to book some profits, and obviously put more shares in the market is going to be low in securities across the board. So most likely it was profit taking. Then you saw the run after hours. Continue that bullish sentiment, and then obviously this morning as well we have a gap up in SPY is trading at the 302.56 level right now, which obviously is retesting and taking over yesterday's highs. So we may have a continued bullish sentiment today, but that being said, it is Friday. You know how Fridays are. Fridays are always more volatile, so it's very possible that you're going to see this reversal out of the gate or within the first 30 minutes. So if you're bullish, be cautious with that. We're going to be bullish across the board, so we're going to obviously wait until the dust settles, see if we are going to be bullish throughout the day, at least to the first half of this trading session. So we're going to kick it off today with NDB. We got 5 on our watch list. NDB again, it was down 2 points yesterday, but it is sitting on that 200-day moving average, and that is the last line of defense. So we don't think it's going to crack it. Obviously, we are bullish. We have been bullish on MDB quite a while. So that being said, we got a 175 overall price target. This is definitely a buy zone for value buyers. So if this thing starts to curl up and push higher highs and higher lows, definitely going to be part of this ride. Tesla's up next. It closed down just north of a point yesterday, after it's some nice runs we've had past couple of days. That being said, I think it's just at a pause right now. Had a little bit of a spike in the morning yesterday, then kind of consolidated in the afternoon. Didn't really sell hard with the with the rest of the market. So that being said, I think it's going to have a tier 2 push to the upside today. Obviously, you have a couple more points, at least 5 to 10 points roughly to the upside for Tesla before we have some significant resistance. So that being said, we're going to be bullish on Tesla going into today's session. Microsoft is up, closed just shy of a point and a half yesterday. It's defending that 50-day moving average on the daily, which is a good sign. Now we have a 141 price target on Microsoft, not too much, but a little meat on the bone there. So it's got to defend this level. Obviously, as you can see, it's got to hold VWAP. It's got to hold VWAP any pullback to VWAP. If it loses that battle like it did in the morning yesterday, we're going to step away. But it's got to keep defending this level and push higher. Next up, we got Baba. Baba closed up just north of 2 points. Had some action after hours in pre-market. It was putting in higher highs and higher lows. Obviously, it cracked that 180 price target that we had for the past few days. Cracked it yesterday and the day before. So we moved our price target to 185. We think it's probably going to take over this 180 level and live in the low 180s for a while. But I think we got another 3-4 points easy to the upside if it continues pushing higher with the market today. We're gonna wrap it up with Netflix. Netflix had a kind of it's been getting hit for pretty much the rest of the summer, or the most of the summer. Obviously, that huge gap down in July, and then just lost its battle at the 200-day going into August trading session, and just been putting in lower highs and lower lows. That being said, it's looking like it's kind of finding its support. Obviously, we had a 280 price target, but we see that it's kind of slowing down here, trying to put this curl in. So we're cautious on Netflix today going into the session, but there's some decent news going out, some chatter on the web. So that being said, we probably going to put on some risk once we see this any pullbacks that are holding that view up. We'll probably put on some risk and see what happens. That being said, guys, that's it. So we got 5 going into our session. I'm gonna keep it nice and tight. It's Friday, so obviously, we be very, very cautious and very patient as always. But as always, guys, we always tell you, just be patient with your price. Let your setups come to you. Don't chase price. You chase, you die, like we always say. And just always respect your stops. If you're wrong, just get out of the position and just wait. Wait for a price to set up again. And perhaps you're just early. Most times you're just early. At the end of the day, just be patient with it, guys. Just be patient. Let the price come to you. And when you're all right, press, and that's when you start putting some risk on it and press. If you're wrong, get out and get out quickly. All right, guys, listen, have a great day in the markets. It's Friday. Enjoy yourself and be safe. All right, guys, have any questions, reach out to us. Talk to you soon.